Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn business accounting. Begin by grasping the core concepts, such as the double entry system, which is foundational. Then, delve into the accounting equation, understanding how assets, liabilities, and equity interrelate. This initial step provides a solid framework for all subsequent learning, setting you up for success in understanding financial operations. Next, focus on the accounting cycle, a systematic process with 8 key steps. Start by recording daily transactions in journals, ensuring accuracy. Then, transfer these entries to the general ledger, organizing them by account. Finally, prepare an unadjusted trial balance to verify that total debits equal total credits, a crucial check before adjustments. Once you understand the cycle, move to analyzing financial statements. The income statement shows profitability over a period, while the balance sheet presents a snapshot of assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point. The statement of cash flows details cash inflows and outflows. Learning to interpret these, along with key financial ratios, provides deep business insights. To solidify your knowledge, engage in practical application. Work through numerous accounting problems and case studies to apply theoretical concepts. Gain hands-on experience with accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, which are widely used. Finally, consider pursuing professional certifications, such as the Certified Public Accountant, to enhance your career prospects significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.